The Supreme Court ruled Monday that Donald Trump may claim immunity from criminal prosecution for some of the actions he took in the waning days of his presidency.
They gave the president far more immunity than I think many of us had predicted. And I think what's even more notable here is the number of questions that they left open.
The decision says presidents have immunity for official acts, but not all acts are official, and lower courts must decide which acts qualify for each. This will likely further delay a trial on the federal election subversion charges pending against the former president.
Jack Smith's federal case relating to 2020 election subversion. This now goes back to the district court, which has to hold a factual hearing to decide what was in the scope or out of the scope of the job. That in itself is appealable.
In the majority opinion, Chief Justice John Roberts embraced one of the central themes raised by Trump's team, that allowing prosecutors to look back at actions would potentially hurt a president's ability to do their job. The decision was 6-3 along conservative liberal lines. Justice Sonia Sotomayor did not hold back in her dissent, writing that the ruling could lead to nightmare scenarios. Let the president violate the law. Let him exploit the trappings of his office for personal gain. Let him use his official power for evil ends. Because if he knew that he may one day face liability for breaking the law, he might not be as bold and fearless as we would like him to be. That is the majority's message today. Reporting in Washington, I'm Julia Benbrook.
Hawaii U.S. Senator Brian Schatz says SCOTUS's decision delays pivotal criminal trial charges against Mr. Trump's alleged attempt to overthrow the 2020 election. Schatz released a statement stating no one is above the law, including former presidents. We all saw with our own eyes Mr. Trump's repeated and, in the case of July 6th, violent efforts to overturn the completely legitimate results of the 2020 election. He deserves to be held accountable for his crimes, just as any other American would.